Good morning, students. Let us start with our new chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Now, what is a pattern? A pattern is usually a repeated decorative design. You can say that the pattern is a repeated decorative design. Now, there are different types of patterns in mathematics like image patterns, number patterns, word patterns, etc. We can see image patterns, number patterns, word patterns, etc. in your mathematics subject. Now see, this is pattern. The rule for the pattern is 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down, up, down, up, down. Now see here, that is in this pattern, one figure is up. Now see here, this is down, again up, again down, up, down, up, down, up and down. So we can say that pattern is a repeated design. Understood? Now see, in your skirt, the rule of the pattern is 1 up, 1 down. Then this pattern is repeated. Now see, here she says, but in my brother's kurta, it is once up, then takes a 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. Now see, here the pattern was 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. Now here it is 1 up, then takes a 1/4 turn, like this way. This is 1/4 turn. Again 1/4 turn. Now see here it is. Again 1/4 turn, like this way. Now the pattern is 1 up, 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn, then 1 up. Understood? Before starting our exercise, let me explain you what is rotation. Now see, when I rotate from here to here, now see, this we can call as 1/4 turn. Okay? Yeah, a quarter turn. You can say this as from here to here. Okay? Now, from here to here, this is half turn. That means 180. From here to here is 90 degree or quarter turn, yeah, 1/4 turn. Now from here to here, this is half turn, yeah, 180 degree. Now from here to here, this is 3/4 turn. That means 1/4 turn, half turn, then 3/4 turn. That is 3/4 turn. Okay. Then from here to here, this is a full rotation. That is 360 degree. Okay. Understood? 1/4 turn is 90 degree. Again half turn is 180 degree. 3/4 turn is 270 degree and full rotation is 360 degree. Now see here, what is clockwise rotation and what is anti-clockwise rotation. When I rotate anything like this way, clockwise, now see, when you rotate anything like this way, that is clockwise turn. And when you rotate a thing like this way, that is anti-clockwise rotation. Understood? A quarter turn is equal to 1 right angle 90 degree. A half turn is equal to 2 right angles 180 degree. A 3/4 turn, that is 270 degree, 3 right angles, and a complete turn 4 right angles 360 degree. Now turns and patterns. Look at this block. Now see this is a figure given. we make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the patterns. Now the first rule is repeat it with a 1/4 turn. Our first rule is to repeat with a 1/4 turn. I already taught you what is 1/4 turn. And see here it is given to turn it clockwise. Clockwise means this way we will turn. Okay. Now 1/4 turn. Now see this figure like this way. When we turn it 1/4 turn, this figure will become like this way. Again 1/4 turn. That means here it will come. See here. Then again like this way. See here. And then here. That is a complete rotation. Understood? In the same way the pattern will go on. Now next is repeat it with a half turn. Second rule is half turn. That means from here to here. 2 right angles. That means 180 degrees. See. Half turn. Then from here to here. See the next figure. Again half turn from like this way. Then full turn like this way. Next is third rule. Repeat it with a 3/4 turn. Now see the 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn means this is 1/4 turn, a quarter turn, half turn, then 3/4 turn. Now see, after 3/4 turn, the figure will look like this way. Again 3/4 turn, then it will look like this way. Again 3/4 turn, then 3/4 turn, 3/4 turn. Understood? Now see here, practice time. What should come next? Now see this line, slanting line, straight line. Again it turn like this way, slanting line, then straight line, again slanting line. Now see here, one up, then one like this, again up, then like this, again up. Understood? Now see, these two I am giving you homework. Now see the next. See this pattern. See here. Question number 2. See this pattern. F. Like this way. Then this is rotated. And 45 degree. 45 means half of 90 degree. 45 degree. Then 45 degree, that is, see here. Then 45 degree like this way. Then what will come next? Then what will come next? See here. 3 options are given. So this will come here. Understood? Now next. Now using the same rule, take it forward till you get to what you started with. That means 45 degree rule you have to take. L. Now see. At 45 degree we rotated. It looks like same. Then again 45 degree. This will come here. See here. Then 45 degree. Then 45 degree. See here. See here. Here is the last step. You will get to what you started with. We started with here. So we turned like this way and we reached here. Understood? Now see P. Same. This way you have to move, rotate and up to here. See, we started with here. So we reached here. Okay? Understood? Next, some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each pattern, write the rule. Then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and tick it. Now see here, some patterns are given. Here's 2 options are given. What will come next? You have to select from here. Now see, this is a pattern. Now see, it just rotated like this way. That means 45 degree. Again like this way. That is 45 degree. Now next what will come? See, this will. When we turn this will become like this way. That means the rule is 45 degree clockwise because we are turning it like this way. Okay? Next, see here. Again, first, then second, third. What will come next? Now see, when we turn like this way, see this part came here, again this part came here. Then what will come next? This will come here. That means see here. So the rule is 90-degree clockwise. Number 3, next C. See this one? To rotate like this way. See, this part came here and this part came here. Again, you will rotate like this way. This part came here, this came here. Now when you rotate, this will come here. So, see this. Next, this will come. That means the rule is 90-degree clockwise. Next. Now see here. Like, see the design. Now this way they rotated. Then again like this way. Again like this way. Then what will come next? When we rotate, this will come. That means anti-clockwise. They have rotated like this way. That means 90-degree anti-clockwise. Understood? Look for a pattern. Mark that picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct it. Now some pictures are given here. You have to mark the picture which is breaking the rules and also correct it. Now see this one. Up, down, up, down, up. Now see here. Here it should come down. But here it is up. That means this figure is breaking the rule. Next, see. This side it is. Then here it is downward. Again here it is here. Then up. Then it should come here. That is right. Now here it should come down. But here it is here. That means this figure is breaking the rule. Next, see. Up, 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 down, up, down. Now see, the rule is 1 up, 1 down. Here it should be down, but here it is up. That means this figure is breaking the rule. See, now the last figure. See this design. Now see, first one is this one, second is here. Again this one. Next, which should come? This should come. But see here the design. That means this figure is breaking the rule. Understood? Next is magic squares. Now see, here a square box is given and some numbers 49, 46, 52 and 47 are written in this box. Now we have to fill this box using the numbers from 46 to 54 in such a way that the total of each line means when you do the total like this way or like this way, the total of each line must come 150. Okay, so see here. First let us take this row 52 plus 47. So to find this number, what we will do? First we will add these two numbers 52 plus 47. See here, 52 plus 47 is 99 and the total of these three line is 150. So to get this number, what we will do? We will subtract 199 from 150 and then we will get the answer of number of first box, that is 51. Understood? Now see, already 46 is given here and we got 51. So to get this number, see here, to get this number, what we will do? We will add 46 and 51. So 46 plus 51 is 97. So when we will subtract 97 from 150, we will get 53. So we will write here 53. Now see, here I have written this 53. Now see, here it is 53. We got the answer 53. and in the question it is given 49. To get this middle number, so what we will do? We will add 53 plus 49. See here, 53 plus 49, that is 102. Now subtract 102 from 150, we will get 48. That means, see, here we got the number 48. Understood? Now see here, here it is 52 and here it is 48. See, here we got 48. Now to get this number, what we will do? We will add 48 plus 52. When we add 48 plus 52, we get 100. So 150 minus 100 is 50. So here it is 50. See here. Here it is 50. Now we need this number 54. Now 49 we got, 47 we got. Then what we will do? We will add 49 plus 47. When we add 49 plus 47, that is 96. Then subtract 96 from 150, we will get 54. So this column is 54. Understood? So now you can do the total. Any of the line you do the total. See, like this way, or like this way. The total is 150. Understood? Now let us do another sum of magic square. Now see, fill the given square using the numbers from 35 to 43 in such a way that each row and column add up to 117. Now we have to fill these boxes from numbers 35 to 43 in such a way that the total of each row and column add up to 117. Now see here, let us take first this 39 plus 43. When you do the total of 39 plus 43, we will get 82 and the total is 117. When we subtract 82 from 117, we will get 35. So we will write 35 in this box. Okay. Now to find this number, what we will do? 35 plus 40. When you add 35 plus 40, we will get 75. Now 117 minus 75 is 42. So write here 42. Okay. Now no other number. So how we will do? Now we will add like this way. 42 plus 39. Okay. Yeah, 40 plus 39. Any way you can do. First let us do like this way. 42 plus 39 is 81. Now subtract 81 from 117. 81 from 117. We will get 36. So we will write here 36. Okay. Now this way also you can do. This way also you can do. Now 40 plus 39. See, when you do the total of 40 plus 39, that is 79. Subtract 79 from 117. You will get 38. So we will write here 38. Okay. Now you can do easily 42 plus 38. What is 42 plus 38? That is 80. So minus 8, subtract 80 from 117. You will get 37. So we will get here 37. Now see here, 40 plus 36 is 76. Subtract 76 from 117. We will get here 41. Now you do the total from anywhere, like this way, like this way, like this way. We will get the total of 117. Understood? We will continue further in our next class.